Hey guys, I just bought a 2012 Ford SVT Raptor. The front end's damaged, needs a bumper, needs a grill, needs a headlight, needs the fender repaired, needs an airbag, and needs a new steering wheel and a few other parts. I took this on as a project. I thought it'd be kind of fun to do, and I took this on. I thought this would be a fun project to do, and I'm basically going to show you guys how I was able to pick up a Ford Raptor for about half the price.
I've looked at several of these Ford Raptors. I'd really like to get one. They're a little pricey. If you go to eBay, you'll see these things range from, here's $42,950, $52,995, $36,000. Here's one for $32,000. I actually looked at this one earlier. I'm not really big on the color, and also this one has a salvage title, and that's what they're asking, $32,900. Going to autotrader.com, looking at it, here's a 2014, $48,000. $26,000. That's not as bad of a price, but you're talking 137,000 miles on it already. Here's one for $100,000. It's a 2013 Shelby Raptor. These actually have superchargers on them. $70,000. I like these trucks. I like the V8 one quite a bit better, but even them, they're way on up there in price. I did eventually find one on eBay.
So this is the vehicle I was looking at. It is a 2012 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Yes, salvage title. And this is what it looked like when I got it. These are the pictures from eBay. And you can see the damage on the front of the truck. This frame rail bumper mount was bent. That's what I saw on the front of the truck. You can see on this side the grill's busted, headlights busted. There's a crack in the fiberglass fender here. I didn't know what this was when I first saw it on the truck. It turned out to be Bondo. I noticed that when we finally got it here to the house. I did see this and thought there might be scratches in the door, but it was actually just a reflection of the sun. And that's the side view of the truck. You can see it's really not in too bad a shape, but still needed work. This side didn't look that bad either. And this is this side of the truck. I did see this, didn't think anything of it, but now that I have the truck here at the house, I did see that the tail light does need to be eventually replaced. As you can see, mostly the grill, the bumper, and the front. There's definitely something missing here. From this angle, you can see the truck doesn't look too bad, although you can see the tonneau cover over the bed of the truck is ripped, or something's going on with it. And here's a pic of the front, and looking it over, I couldn't tell what was going on with it. To be honest, I actually thought this right here was bent down, but turns out these were pretty symmetrical. This edge here was bent, and then of course a lot of the mounts for the air conditioner condenser and bumper mounts and all that were bent and broke. But I was willing to take a gamble on the truck. Engine was complete, and the eBay ad said that it did run. Again, another view of the front. You can see that someone fell over the steering wheel and the airbag popped. But other than that, the interior looks to be in pretty good shape. There was a panel here missing, but that was about it. Other than that, the interior looked pretty good, inside and out. And they had originally wanted to sell this truck for $15,900. Like I said, the truck did have a salvage title, and it had 99,000 miles on it. I was able to pick this truck up after making a best offer on eBay for $14,000, and I will go over all the things I was able to do to this truck to get it back on the road.
If you want to follow this Raptor from start to finish, please click the subscribe button and make sure you like the video. Thanks.